just cleaning out my truck, and I'm like, you know what? This floor mat looks like crap. And yeah, it's one of those nice rubber floor mats, but it's grungy, dirty, crappy. Then I realized we've got a sponsor for the channel, Super Clean. Now, this is a little bit more for wheels, but, you know, I guess it's, you know, it'll do tires. But we're going to see if it actually works for floor mats. Because, I mean, folks, we already know that this stuff is hot shit great. So, you might as well just try something new, different. So, okay. And love that foaming action. You know, glass is trying to fall off my face again. So, I haven't even set up a pressure washer yet. I haven't even turned the water on for the pressure washer. So, realistically, folks, this is going to be like a true test of this stuff on a floor mat, okay? You know, I could freaking clean wheels with it and show you how that works. But I want to see, you know, since this is a wheel cleaner, is it going to damage rubber? You know, especially synthetic rubber that's in tires. You know, if it doesn't damage this floor mat, you know for a bloody fact that it'll not damage your tires. You know, there is a lot of wheel cleaners out on the market, but actually, you know, they do tell you to tape off the wheels, so, because of how hard their product is. So, okay. We got water pressure. Okay. Contact. Oh, bloody hell. Okay. You know, oh, I love this. Oh, yeah. Wash my boot off. Woohoo! There's still some left, but, you know, it took out the majority of that grime and I mean, we didn't even really let it sit, so, hell, could you imagine if we just let that sit for, I don't know, 5 minutes or so? So, thanks for watching this little short. I know I'm trying to post more of the shorts, but kind of bear with me a little, okay? Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.